If you really want to be able to improvise, play jazz on the piano, but you don't even know where to start, in this video, I'm going to show you one simple path to get from never having improvised before to improvising. So what you just need to understand is that improvising is just playing melodies, and it's just playing melodies you come up with on the spot. If you want to be able to come up with a melody on the spot, a very easy entry point into that is to take a melody you already know, or a melody you could learn pretty easily, and then using that as a basis to improvise from. So I'm gonna go with a kid's song. And before you click off the video and feel like you're above this, if you do not know how to play the song I'm about to tell you to play, you are not above this. Take a breath, slow down, accept that the basics are where the gold is and that the lessons are in the songs. So check this out. Here's Old MacDonald. Right? Super easy. And the second half of the song is just back to. So if I know how to play that melody really straight, I could start to change the rhythm a little bit, add some inflections, add a little bit of my own personality to it to start to improvise. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pretty simple, right? Just like that, by changing the rhythm, by maybe adding some approach tones, by playing notes above or below, just dancing with it, having fun with it, all of a sudden I've started to improvise a little bit. Now, the tip I would say is a lot of people might try just doing one time through on this and either feel like, oh, I got it, or oh, I don't got it. But if you want to do this, just like spam it, like it's a video game, like spam the strategy that works. Just do it again and again and again and again. Don't be afraid to like turn your brain off and just play over and over and over and over again. Just like at the gym, you don't get results until the reps start to hurt, right? If you just do some curls a couple times, you're not gonna really see results. It's like once you get to rep 15 and it's like, oh, I don't know if I can do this. You push for 16, push for 17, push for 18. So when you get results, it's the same thing here at the piano. So if you are like, I really wanna improvise, take a melody you know, and first of all, make sure you can play it really rock solid. Notice when I was playing Old MacDonald this first time, like I don't need to look at my hands. I can talk to you the whole time, right? I'm super confident. I know there's no universe where I'm gonna screw this up. And then maybe do another chorus. Just keep repeating it. Try and sing it in your head. And just like get into it, like really get into it. There's no like one little magic pill that can make you all of a sudden be a master improviser. This is a marathon that you have to do a little bit each day. Hope you're having fun with this. Happy practicing. Drop a comment. Let me know what kind of things you want to get better at piano with, and I'm happy to help you out. Bye.